Simple. Lower your knees, lower the elbows. Dolphin. A simple sequence that's great for after a heat-producing workout. Root through the elbows, rise through the tailbone, walk the feet forward 6 inches. Decompress the shoulders by isometrically pressing the elbows away from each other. Allow this opening to trickle to the low back. And on an out breath, lower all the way down to the mat, Sphynx. Simple. Simple sequence. We're going to heat it up and then move forward. Left arm threads, right arm crosses over top. Crown of the head draws forward, breathe to the backs of the shoulders. Balancing the inhales and the exhales and the inhales. Right hand presses, left hand presses, left and right. Seal your way back up. Bring the hands next to the body outside of the mat. With the thumbs and index finger facing forward, root through the fingers. Lead with the heart. Try to keep your elbows over the wrists. Full breath in. Full breath out. Release out of the posture. Again, reaffirm your foundation. Find a drishti and release the forehead to the mat. Palms underneath the shoulders. Let it go. Simply switch sides. Seal your way up. Right arm crosses over left. Crown of the head draws forward. Breathe. Find your edge. Space where you feel a sensation, but you're not pushing too hard to hurt yourself. Riding the waves of perception is finding this intricate balance with the breath, with effort. And seal your way back up to center with the palms under the shoulders, tops of the feet pressed and activated. To lift the feet off the ground and bring the hands to hold the outsides of the feet. Moving to Dhanurasana, bow pose. Feet kick back, lifting the heart. Lower belly, lower ribs engage. Massaging the organs. Let that go, right cheek to the mat. Again, bringing the forehead to the mat, knees bend, take hold of the feet, roll the shoulders away from the ears, lower belly, lower ribs engage, feet kick back, lifting your heart. Breathe space into the fronts of the shoulders. Simple. Release your efforts, left cheek to the mat. Let it go. Simple. Palms press underneath the shoulders. Heart lifts. Balasana, child's pose. Knees mat width distance. Right hand walks back. Left hand walks back so the palms are facing up. Long through the spine. Inhales, lengthen the spine. The out breath, allow the shoulders to draw away from the spine. Simple. Begin to call awareness back to your space, the space that you have cultivated. Right hand walks forward, followed by the left. Palms come to meet above the head, anchoring through the elbows. I want you to bring the tip of the thumbs to meet, index, middle finger, ring finger, and pinky in Hakini Mudra. All fingertips are connected. Breathe the shoulders. Feel the entirety of the universe. And simply breathe. Bring this with you and share this with everyone you meet today. Namaste.